GageMakkal allows you to create and manage the clusters to group multiple instruments or gauges together based on locations, ownerships, or availability. Clusters can be of three types: always available cluster, non-recursive cluster, or recursive cluster. A non-recursive cluster in which the instrument or grouped in cluster have specific availability and periods without any repetitions, and each period is defined separately. To add a non-recursive cluster, open all cluster page by going to the master and clicking on the cluster. Click on the top right plus sign and give the cluster name as, for example, maintenance cluster. Then toggle this to defined availability. Here you don't check this. When you check it, it becomes a recursive cluster. Here you give the date and time that's available for this specific group of instruments, at which point you can do calibration. Let's say I give the date from 24th June 8 a.m. to the same date 24th June 4 p.m. or 16, and that's when this group of instruments will be available for calibration. GageMakkal will make use of this available time and notify the respective persons to do the calibration during that time. You can add more availability just like that. You can click on it to add more and more availability. All in all, you are going to define specific period this set of instruments are available. Finally, when you are done, you can save it. Your all cluster page is going to list all different times that this instrument is going to be available.